Now we're pretty much wrapping up here. I have the valve installed and I'm going to show you guys what to do because there is a process here, okay? So let's go ahead and get that other valve off and I'll walk you through what to do. So you guys pretty much see there's 3 bolts holding it in. Those are 10 millimeters. We're going to take those out. Now once you unbolt these 10 mils, there's a little pin that sits on the arm. We are going to remove that, okay? And just be sure if you ever in the future think you might go back to stock, just save it. I'll show it to you on the one I've already uninstalled. That way you have an idea. I brought it inside so you can see it. You know what? I can probably show it to you better here. So you see right there, this is the pin that comes out. So you just have to slide it over and then it just slides out like this. So this is what it looks like, okay? You're not gonna reuse that. So now all we have to do is remove this arm from this. Now you probably would be better off keeping this bolted in now that I'm looking at it. But where's my pry tool? All you need is a pry tool to get it off. It just pops right off. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what to do next. But yeah, pry tool is right here, actually, right in front of me. So yep, that's it. So it comes right off, and now we have to install it. You already have bolts supplied by Fabspeed, and this arm's just gonna sit as you saw in the new exhaust. Now all you have to do is just put this in like this, and I like to push this over some and allow it to catch it that way, and that's it. So it's very interesting. It seems like it might fall out, but once you bolt it in, there's no way that's coming out of there, so don't worry about that. But I didn't see a lot of videos on this, so I figured I'd give you a little bit more detail here.